Let's make Fragrant Scallion chicken today. First, cut spring onions into chunks. Cut shallots into smaller pieces. And a few slices of ginger. Remove bones from chicken thighs. Cut into chunks. Heat up cooking oil in a wok. Add spring onions and fry until it turns slightly brown. Remove the spring onions. Add shallots and ginger slices and stir-fry until softened. Add in the chicken meat and stir-fry for a few minutes. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and dark sauce and mix well. Add water, cover the wok, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. On high heat, boil to reduce and thicken the sauce. Add more spring onions and mix well. Time to dish out and serve.